Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Sri Purnima. Just a minute, I will put my phone in the silence. I forgot. So just a minute. Yeah, thank you guys. Welcome to Sri Purnima. I'm Jyoti. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based small mini store. So we deal with all varieties of sarees and dress materials. So today I have two sets of collections. One is the real khadi silk and the other one is the Sana silk, Sana checked type simple saree collections. So the khadi silk is priced at 940 and the Sana silk is priced at 565. Shipping charges, as you all know, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of the India. COD is available with COD charges 100 rupees extra to the product cost plus shipping charge. So I will move with the saree collections. So in each piece I have four colors. So this is a khadi silk saree. Okay, it's a khadi silk. Priced at 940. It has a temple design in the borders. Okay, it has a temple design in the borders. So I will open up the saree for you. So this is a real khadi silk saree. Okay, you can see, I hope you can feel the texture in the video. So it's a real khadi silk. Okay, I will show you how the saree will be looking. This is the pallu. It has a traditional lined pallu. Okay, this is the pallu. It's a pink color. It has a shiny look also. In the borders you have the temples in both the ends. The upper one is a small size border and the lower one is a little bigger than the upper border, and it has the fancy tassels. These kind of fancy tassels in the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. So it has the contour color. Okay, it's a slightly contour color in the blouse piece. So this is how the saree will be looking. It has a shiny look also. It has a temple design in both the border ends, and one size is a small border and the other one is a little bigger. It has the zari thread. Actually, it's not the actual zari. It's a thread. Okay, it's a satin. It has a gold border also. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a khadi silk. The fabric is khadi silk, priced at 940. I have color options in this. 4 colors are there in this particular design. So this is pink with purple combination. And this is, all the designs will be same. I will just open up the saree again, one more saree for your reference. So this is another saree. So this is how, it's a green. The design will be same. So this is how the design will be, and it has the contour blouse piece. So this is the second saree. So every saree will be looking alike. Okay, just I have opened another one piece for your reference. So this is a light green shade with dark green combination. So this is the second one, and a very lovely color. It's a light blue color. So this is the third one. It's a light blue combination. And the fourth one is the yellow, mustard yellow color with grey combination. Actually, the light blue has a lighter shade inside and the darker shade outside. So these are the 4 color combinations available. All the sarees are priced at 940 and the designs are same. It's a real khadi silk saree. Okay, it's not a khadi cotton, it's a khadi silk saree. So I'm moving with the next one. So next one is a simple saree. It's a Sana silk. The fabric is Sana silk. It can be used for daily wear also. So it's a very simple saree and very lightweight also. So the price is 565. It has a chit pallu, the same kind of traditional pallu. So it has the golden lines in between. So this is a pallu, and it also has the tassels in the pallu, and the blouse piece will be coming as running. This is the blouse piece. I will show you the saree. Okay, this is the saree. It's a very simple checked pattern. So it is a pink. It's a multicolor. All the sarees will be multicolor. So this is the saree 1 on the second set. Okay, this is pink with orange and blue combination. So I have 3 more colors in this one. So this is a this is for black lovers. All these are very very lightweight sarees, so these can be worn for a daily wear also. So this is second one, and this is third one, and this is fourth one. The pattern and design is same, but the colors alone will be varying. These are the 4 colors available in the Sina Silk. So the price is 565. The shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, and rest of India it's 100. COD is also available. If you want to see more collections, you please WhatsApp me. If you check my WhatsApp profile, we will be having a catalog section. In the catalog section, I have mentioned all my products. So you can check the products and you can get into my WhatsApp chat for more details. So I have listed all my products in my WhatsApp catalog. So please refer to that one. And if you want to see more collections, please ping me. If you want to visit my store and want to see collections also, please text me in my WhatsApp. So I will share you the location details and all. So we are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay, these are the collections for today. My WhatsApp number is 91505 56870. I have mentioned the direct link for WhatsApp also. You can click the link directly without saving my number. So that's all for today, guys. Tomorrow I will be coming up with the next set of sarees. So thanks for watching. Thank you, guys.